Hi, I am a concerned kid. Today I want to talk to you pupils. I know it's not going to go down well with you, but let's just face the reality. Okay, we fought to come home. Now we are at home. What are we doing here? Seriously, what are we doing? When we banned school expressing our anger, this year over 35 schools were burnt down. You mean there is no other way we can be heard? Why can't we sit down and dialogue? Let's choose students countrywide to represent us and dialogue on our behalf instead of banning schools. Fellow students, we are not punishing the government nor the teachers. We are directly punishing our parents. Do we love our parents or we hate them? Because when you ban the school, it's the parents to pay for the damages and do another new shopping, starting with the mattresses, boxes, blankets, and all the requirements. Okay, question to the students: do your parents have this money? If yes, you mean it for waste. Are we going to stay kids forever? The answer is no. One day you are going to be a parent. How will you tell your child to go to school and sit in class, and you yourself, you are on the record banning the school? How will you be able to control your child or teach your child to have good behaviors, and you yourself, you are a bad influence? Hey guys, let's open our eyes and think about tomorrow. Let's not think about today only. Remember, there is tomorrow, and that tomorrow depends on today, and that today is us. The question is, this today the future parents and leaders of tomorrow? Think about it. So pupils, banning school is not solving anything. Instead, it is creating more and more problems. In future, we are going to be a useless generation of dunderheads, because the time we are supposed to learn, we are busy banning schools, enjoying home trips, watching TV, chatting on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter without knowing we are destroying our future. So please students, stop it and let's make our future meaningful. We can do this. It's me, concerned kid. Please don't hate me. I was just reasoning.